So, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Sturmgeist, and today I'm welcoming you to this little let's play, my very first one, of Amnesia custom story. And we will play the custom story Abduction today. I've never played it so far. I don't remember where I got it, but I think it was highly recommended. And yeah, we are just starting in. You are startled by a loud crash in the middle of the night. Investigate the source. And let's go. Whoa. That is a loud noise. Now, what's going on in here? Where did that come from? It's quite dark here. But I have my trusted lantern. And what else? Oh, a key. Bedroom key. It's here. Nothing. Don't waste too much oil. I haven't played Amnesia in a while, so I'm a little bit clumsy with controls here. So, nothing. Ah, I see. I've locked myself in. Hello? Who did this noise? How much oil? Ah, it's full. Let's go downstairs then. Oh, this looks trusty. So far, everything looks alright here. Raining. Fucking weather. Same all the time. This is a weird house. Open. Oh, this is a big room. Oh no, it's not that big. Food storage. Oh yeah, nice. Rats. Ah! Go to hell. Oh crap. What was that? God damn it! Run, 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 run! Run! Why are you not running? Oh God! God damn it! God! Where? Oh, great. I guess I'm supposed to get killed by this guy. But I won't die without a fight. Ugh. I can't run. What is this? Oh. Ugh. I cannot die yet. Well, then let's see what you got. Okay. Threw me in some sort of... Is this also my house? Couldn't have gone that far, right? Ah, yeah. There we have a nice little hole in the bars. Jump! And I'm out. God! Hello, needle. What do we have here? Laudanum, tinder boxes, scissors. Oh, nice. Somebody's hungry. See how he will like his arms and legs raw. Well, he probably won't mind. And this is a dead naked guy. Wonderful. Now, experiment log 17. Experiment log 17, 21st of August, 1840. The subject's response to the new strain of formula was less than optimal. The subject seemed to suffer more extreme pain instantly upon receiving the injection, which lasted for several seconds. Once the pain had subsided, his screams had ceased, he began to exhibit a complete loss of muscular control, seizing rather violently. Fortunately, he was shackled to the table. In the midst of the seizure, the subject's eyes rolled up into his head, and shortly thereafter his breathing and heartbeat stopped. Upon death, he immediately began to leak a green substance from every pore and hole of his body. It was extremely acidic, and may find a use for it later. I must, however, burn his remain. Oh, great! I just touched it. Seems his mixture is far from the serum I seek. I will need to alter the recipe before injecting subject 19 with it. He is, after all, the one with the highest potential, considering the attachment the shadow has to him, and that servant didn't exactly handle it with care. Good thing I keep Laudanum handy. I shall send for another prisoner tomorrow and try again. Huh! Nice. Stop breathing. Tinderbox, give it to me. Ugh. 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 Yeah, I will just go. I'll leave you here. Go to the dungeon halls.